Hello, today I'll be showing you how to create your website header using the Elementor Pro Site Builder. So I am actually using the Elementor Cloud website for now, and it has already the Elementor Pro Site Builder installed in it. So first, I'll go to Templates and then the Theme Builder. Now, for all Elementor Cloud websites, you will see a starter kit header and a starter kit footer. So if you look at the front end, it actually looks like this. So it's a very simple header as well as a very simple footer. So we are going to edit from this starter kit header. I'll click on edit. Now, this is the starter kit header, and we already have this header installed. So what I'll do, I'll just remove this header, all right, and I'll just create a brand new one. If you would like some inspirations on how some common headers may look like, you may go to Add Templates. Under Blocks, you see some common headers that you can actually insert to use. Okay, so I'm showing you an example. You may edit then this is my logo over here. Okay, so it's over here, and then you can edit the rest of the information if you like to. Or if you prefer to just do everything from scratch, you may do so. Just click on this plus button. I usually start with 2 columns because I would like to put my logo for one side. So I'll adjust my column width here. Now, first, I need this header to be full width. So I'll go to Edit section. Under Content Width, I will select full width. Okay, I'll select full width, and then I will also, under Style, give it a background color. Okay, go to Background Type, Classic, and then I choose a color, say light gray. Okay, so now I have a background color for my header. So I'm going to insert a site logo over here. So this is my site logo. Okay, so it looks really, it makes my header looks huge, right? So I can actually resize this column to resize the logo. And then over here, I may actually want to insert a navigation menu. So I'm just going to put in this nav map, right? So currently my menu only has 2 items. That's why they'll appear here. Okay, so then I can click on this to style it. Go to Style. Okay, I can change the typography, the text color, okay, the font and the size of the font. I can also change the color of the text. Okay, if I choose red. Okay, and if I prefer that this menu be vertically more centralized, I can click on this column, vertical align. I'll go to middle. Yeah, so it looks better like this. Okay, now let's go back to styling here. So I would like to style my hover. Okay, so if you see typography, hover, okay, go to hover. I don't really quite like the blue text, so maybe I want it to be a dark shade of gray. Okay, and then the pointer as well, okay, to also be quite a dark shade of gray. Okay, and then hover. So we can change the colors from here. If I want to change the horizontal alignment, I can do so, okay, under Content and Alignment. So this is the header. I can also add one more row on top, okay, and then I will give it a full width as well. But this time round, just a white color, and perhaps I can add some icons on the top part. So let's icon list. Okay, let's try to drag this icon list up there. This is another very common way of doing your header, but we don't usually do a vertical listing. So our layout, if we click on inline, all right, So let's change this item 1 to call us, right? Call us, okay? And then I'm going to put my number 659082564, okay? And then the icon, phone maybe, phone, and then you have this phone icon here, insert. Right, so now it looks quite familiar to you, right? The second one, you can of course change it to email us, okay? Email us, and then okay, the icon envelope, I can use this envelope, and then I'll insert, right? And then possibly the last one, okay, open, okay, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily, for example. Okay, so well, over here you can maybe look for a clock. Is there a clock? All right, over here, okay, I can have a clock icon. So the icon list can be styled, space between. I can open it up, space it out. Okay, alignment, center. For icon, I can decide on the color, the hover color, as well as the size of the icons. Okay, I can make them bigger like this. Okay, so maybe for color, I decide to give it the red color. Okay, and then of course the text. Okay, I can do the same thing for the text as well. So this is the header. If you want the header to be sticky, which means that when you scroll, okay, they still appear there. Maybe I just want this portion, the gray portion, to be sticky. What I do is I will click on this edit section, go to advanced, and then under motion effects, sticky to the top. All right, to the top. So it will be sticky on desktop, tablet, as well as mobile. Offset 0. Offset is actually the distance between the top and the section itself. So it will have it 0 first, and then you see what happens. Okay, let's update this thing. Okay, let's see. So you'll just stick to the top there. Okay, you just stick to the top, it won't disappear. Okay, but if you, of course, if you want both of them to be sticky, you can do so. So let us now change the offset for this one, okay? Instead of 0, right? Let's try offset to 15 first, to 15, and then you see what happens, yeah? Offset to 15, you see? So there is actually some space, 15 pixels, 15 pixels. But this huge space here looks more like 15, so let's just try 50. Okay, 50. Okay, and then I go here, I'll click on the first section. I'll do the same, motion effects, sticky, yes, to the top, and then offset 0. Okay, so both are sticky. So now you see, I can see both when I scroll. Okay, so this is how a very simple website header that you can create. Now, you may want to go to save options here, go to display conditions. Yes, and it should include the entire site. If you have not set this, you can add a condition. Just add, and then once it shows include entire site, okay? So then you can save and close. Now let's get back, exit to dashboard. All right, so under theme builder, if you are not even using the Elementor Cloud website, but if you have installed Elementor Pro Site Builder into your WordPress, you may not see this starter kit header. So all you need to do is to click on this header, okay, and then you can click on add new, okay, to create a new header for yourself. So hope this helps. Thank you for watching. That's all.